Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jake. Welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. I'm showing you guys how to make a little Hypebeast setup, just like a small little area where you can shoot videos, just like with your own personal background instead of like a boring white screen or like a boring green screen, or like just something that you can have your own personal twist to. Let's just teleport to IKEA. Let's just teleport to the past. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, like that, we're already here. IKEA parking lot. That's fucking insane. Damn, it's finally hot out. It's finally sweating. It's the end of May and it's already about 90 degrees out here in Massachusetts. It's looking beautiful out here. I'm telling you guys right now, it's looking beautiful. Summer's gonna be, it's gonna be a hot summer. We're gonna be hitting the beach. Hopefully we're gonna be taking a couple trips. And hopefully I'll take you guys along. That's what this channel is for. Alright guys, so I just picked up the stuff I need for my little Hypebeast room, background, budget, whatever you want to call it. I only spent about $30 at all in IKEA. I spent about $6 at Home Depot. So a total of $40 right now we're at for this room. My stuff, I don't need to spend so much because I already got a few Supreme accessories that I know it's going to be in the background. It's going to fit in the background, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna hang up a Supreme board. That's why I went to Home Depot, so I could hang up the board. But yeah, now we're heading home and I'll show you guys what we got. What's going on, guys? Back at the house. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So we got about 5-foot trees. They're about $1 at IKEA. They're all great for Yeezys, Jordans, any shoes, just to make them look alive, you know? So I might be hanging them up on this shelf that I also got. It's called a lack. It's about 43 inches long. Guess how much this buddy was? 15 bucks at IKEA. I'm planning on throwing it right up here. Also got some plant, you know, spice up the life. This to hang up some shirts. Don't think it's gonna be in the setup, you know, but definitely would need some more. Drop a like if you guys want to see closet. Well, not closet, just my Supreme and shirts. That's a sneak peek. And I also went to one other store. That's Home Depot, and because picked up some screws and plastic anchors. Quick focus. Screws and plastic anchors. I picked up some cup hooks and some 20-pound wire because we're gonna be hanging this bad boy right up there. Alright guys, so I showed you guys the stuff and let's get it on the wall. That's the final step. Let's get it popping. Ready, set. What's going on, guys? Back. I finally built all my shelf. It took me a couple hours, you know, a few hours. It's almost sundown out here. Look at it. It's looking nice out. As you guys can tell, I finally finished my shelf, but clearly it took me a few hours because it's not much light outside. Yeah, I can really. It took me a few hours just to get this one thing up, so I'm not really too handy, but let's just say I got the job done. So, as you guys can see, this is going to be my little backdrop for now. It's got the Supreme, just Supreme, more Supreme, not too much. We got about a few Supreme accessories up there. Got Waluigi up there. Got a plane up there. We also got some Amex Undefeateds. Put that just to spice up the background, you know. I think it's a good change. It's way better than what I had before, just a blank wall. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you.